Lesson 5, Unit 5. System Training and Deployment. System Training. This phase is designed to train all users of this new system. This phase exposes the full functionality of the solution to users in a learning environment, where the users can experience the solution, enter information, run reports, and configure the system. Once it is completed, the project can move on to the final phase of the SDL's life cycle, which is the deployment phase. The training phase teaches all users the solution functionality. It makes use of the exercises, theory, and hands-on use of the solution. In this phase, there are two types of documents created: the system training plan and the system training evaluation. The system training plan is a document that describes the activities required for users to learn how to use the system. It includes activities to develop the user training materials, the type of training the users will receive, which can be on-site or virtual, the training schedule, and the training learner objectives. The training plan will identify the resources required to train all users, which might include the need to purchase additional computers or rent computer training facilities. The system training evaluation is the evaluation that the users will make at the end of the training. The evaluation seeks to measure the level of satisfaction from users and the quality of the instruction. Feedback from participants of the training sessions is requested to help identify areas of improvement, either on the training approach or the training documents. After both plans are approved, the next step is to organize the training activities where all project staff will learn how to use the new system. The training can include project support staff, some key stakeholders, and even partners that are involved in the information management process and need to use the system. After all users have been trained and can use the system, the project manager can authorize the deployment of the solution to the various areas or units where the system will be used. System deployment. In this final phase, the system is installed and made operational. The phase is initiated after the system has been tested and accepted by the users. Activities in this phase include the notification of implementation to end users, the process to enter new information, the assignment of user roles, and the support and maintenance procedures. The new system can fall into three categories: the replacement of a manual process, the replacement of a legacy system, or upgrade to an existing system. Regardless of the type of system, all aspects of the implementation phase should be followed. This will ensure the smoothest possible transition to the project's desired goal. More than half of the system development costs are attributed to the operations and maintenance of systems. During the first months of the system deployment, the system is being used and scrutinized to ensure that it meets the needs in the requirements phase. Problems with the system might be detected, and new needs or requirements can arise. This will result in modifications to the systems, new functionality developed, and/or hardware and software changes. It's important to understand that during the first couple of months using the system, all the users will require close support. New team members will require training, and other new users will require training as well. The emphasis is to ensure that the user's needs are met, and the system continues to perform as specified in the requirements document. As users become proficient in the use of the system, they might become aware of better ways to improve the system and, therefore, make recommendations. Changes will be required to fix problems, possibly add features and make improvements to the system. The consultant should be available to provide the support as long as the system is in use.